Does this start the recording?
Right, should be good. Hopefully it zooms because the mouse is blocking the screen. So yeah, like I tweeted out, going camping with the family. Here we are. We got a thing, a tent it's called. It's pretty nice. It's a lot nicer than we expected. It's almost like a tiny cabin. Um, I've got a top bunk here. Here I am on the bunk. I really hope the camera's looking at me. There we go. We just got here now, so I'm unpacking here on the bed. We got the sleeping bag out of the compression sack, which we refuse to compress, despite always being short for room in the vehicle. Oh yeah. Take a look at this. Duct tape. I forgot about that. Got a tear in one of the seams. So it's duct taped and sewn together at the ends of the duct tape. Forgot about that, but you know, it's okay. Let's see what's in here. So I forget where I packed everything. Okay. This I will need to make tinder. The cheese grater trick. Huh, that's strange. A lot of stuff in here that I don't think I currently need at the moment. So I guess this can get closed back up. And that's good. Oh, you want to see if this can come open all the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Still like really thin shavings or just small pieces?
Maybe try the other way. I don't know if it'll.
I don't think that should matter. I think it's just
shave it.
crappy, and it just the tolerances aren't right, and so it's just getting stuck. I think it's.
Yeah, that's what I wondered. Will it go the other way?
Oh wait, maybe it lifts up and.
Yeah, but who can do that while the friggin' fire's burning?
Do you want shavings or small pieces?
Huh.
Just small pieces.
That was a little dirty. Do you have a cleaner of some sort? Because it was dirty. Oh well.
These are the fire gloves.
I know. My hands I need to wash.
Why don't you wipe them on the fire gloves like I was telling you?
This is a small piece.
It
You
doesn't.
want this?
No,
Where's the
it's
water?
smaller.
That said it was over.
It's just
Here?
straight at the end of the.
Okay, how you wash hands?
Okay, I just need a match. Do you have a match?
I have a lighter,
Sure.
I believe, unless the lighter was the one thing I left. I do have matches. I have matches here.
Okay. Light a couple parts of the.
hiking. Some of the woods, you know, it's campsite woods, but some of the west, very smoky.